Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to build a sleek multi-step form in Webflow, but wanted to skip all those complex tutorials and hours of manual coding, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to easily create a dynamic multi-step form in Webflow using the power of Chatgpt. By the end of this video, you'll be able to collect user info in stages, keeping your forms neat and way more engaging for your visitors. Alright, let's dive straight in. To get started, let's first build the basic structure of our form inside Webflow. Head over to your Webflow project and drag in a form block. Now here, where we plan out our stages, think of each stage as a chapter in a book. You might want the first step to collect the user's name, the second their age, and the third their email address. Segmenting the form like this isn't just for style, it genuinely makes it less overwhelming for your users, since they're only focusing on one question at a time. Once you've mapped out the stages you need, it's time for the real magic, letting ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Open up ChatGPT and describe exactly what you want your multi-step form to do. For example, you could type, "Can you generate JavaScript code for a 3-step Webflow form with steps for name, age, and email, and navigation buttons to go forward and back?" The more clearly you lay out your requirements, the better the output. And here's a little tip. If you're unsure how to phrase it, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to explain the code too. It's super helpful for understanding what's going on under the hood. Once ChatGPT gives you the code, we'll need to bring it into Webflow. Head over to your project's Pages panel, then open the settings for the page where your form lives. Scroll down to the Custom Code section and find the body tag area. This is the perfect spot for code like this because it'll run as soon as your page loads. Paste in the code that ChatGPT generated. Make sure you save your changes. A quick reminder here. Sometimes custom code takes a few seconds to update, so don't worry if you don't see the changes instantly. Now let's put it to the test. Click that preview button up top and walk through your new form just like a visitor would. Try moving between steps, entering sample info, and using the buttons. If you notice anything odd, for example, the form doesn't advance or it skips a step, go back to ChatGPT and explain what happened. You can even paste the code in the error message and get a fix in seconds. Remember, building something new always involves a bit of trial and error, so don't get discouraged if it's not perfect the first time. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've built a polished, smart, multi-step form with most of the heavy coding handled for you by ChatGPT. If this walkthrough helped you out, let me know by hitting that like button or leave any questions you have down in the comments. I'm always here to help. And for more straightforward Webflow tutorials and creative workflow tips using AI, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.